Do you own or manage a childcare facility? Do you want to expand your business and improve relationships with your current parents? Well, you can do that and more at UncoverCare.com. Uncover Care is an online social community and resource for parents and childcare providers. Here's how Uncover Care worked out for Michelle, who runs a couple of small childcare facilities in Virginia. Michelle's childcare facilities had the best reputation in the county because she's a hands-on manager, concerned about the quality of her caregivers and excellence of her facilities. But it was difficult to get the word out. She didn't have the money the big franchises had and relied on word of mouth, which wasn't that effective. Then Michelle learned about Uncover Care, a place where she could tout her facility's values, post news and features, communicate with current clients, and reach out to new prospects. In no time, Michelle filled every available slot with thankful clients. And so can you. Visit Uncover Care and get started today.